The Tenda Nova whole home mesh Wi-Fi system is perfect for medium to large multi-story houses. Powered by Tenda Mesh technology, it creates a distributed network across your entire home. A set of 3 nodes covers up to 300 square meters and has excellent wall penetration capability with 2 external power amplifiers used separately on the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, together with the built-in dual-band smart antennas, RF optimization, and the beam-forming technologies, all contributing to this capability. All nodes of the system are delivered prepared right out of the box, making the system easy to set up and give you great, reliable Wi-Fi coverage wherever you need. Different products and combinations from the Tenda Nova series are available to address your requirements for bandwidth, Wi-Fi coverage, and wall penetration.